Sustainable impact remains at the core of the Exxaro business, and delivering meaningful socio-economic value is integral to Exxaro's purpose of bettering better lives in Africa and beyond. So our efforts focus on addressing unemployment, enhancing education, and enabling infrastructure development to empower our host communities and also to drive inclusive economic growth. As at the end of December, we're proud that group social investments amounted to 2.1 billion rand. The local procurement of black, small, medium and micro enterprises supported 562 organizations through enterprise and supplier development initiatives. We are also making a meaningful impact in our host communities by investing in education. So our early childhood development programs benefited more than 2,700 children, more than 40 registered early childhood development centers, and over 180 teachers through professional training. Also very proud, in January of 2025, we handed over the newly built Martina Kokana School Hall. It's a block of 4 classrooms and associated external upgrades to the Nelson Skop Primary School in Lephalale, benefiting more than 1,500 children and also teachers. This was at an investment of more than 20 million rand that also boosted the local economy through local company participation and job creation. With finite mine life, we are also reimagining the sustainability of our communities, ensuring that they continue to thrive beyond the life of mine by creating post-mining economies. We do this through our mineral succession program, which grants emerging farmers access to rehabilitated and surplus mining land for agricultural and commercial ventures. So at the end of 2024, our mineral succession program had more than 10,000 hectares of land under management, and we provided more than 63 million rand in funding towards 36 farming projects across 6 provinces in South Africa. Exxaro is also championing diversity, equity and inclusion, and has maintained its value proposition as an employer of choice. So as such, Exxaro has once again received recognition from the Top Employer Institute as a 2025 top employer. We also aim to go beyond compliance, and for the past 6 years, we are proud that we've consistently achieved our mining charter-free employment equity targets. Furthermore, a big milestone in 2024, we also signed a new 3-year coal wage agreement with our trade unions, demonstrating the strong relations built on trust and mutual respect. Then coming to our BEE or empowerment transaction, a big milestone for us. We are very pleased to announce that our major anchor shareholder, Isizwe, have signed a separate waiver and undertaking in favor of them to maintain the current 30.8% shareholding in Exxaro until December 2027. This is a significant milestone which ensures that Exxaro remains its empowerment level and status as one of South Africa's largest and foremost black empowered and diversified listed mining companies. This also demonstrates the long-term relationship with them and also the confidence that they have in the Exxaro strategy going forward. At Exxaro, we also maintained our level 2 BBBE status against our set target of 3. When it comes to diversity, we also committed to safeguard biodiversity through targeted initiatives, including species relocation, wetland rehabilitation, invasive plant management, and implementing conservation projects that protect the native flora and fauna across our operations. Our impacts on diversity are further enhanced by strategic partnerships with conservation organizations and communities. Furthermore, we're also proud that the development of our decarbonization roadmap has now been achieved. This is critical for the business as it maps out our short, medium and long-term decarbonization approaches essential towards our objective of reaching carbon neutrality by 2050. We are decarbonizing today to secure a sustainable tomorrow. So this roadmap presents a comprehensive framework that summarizes our key milestones, our strategic initiatives, and the technologies necessary for Exxaro to achieve carbon neutrality by 2050. The roadmap provides a clear pathway to a low-carbon future, and its implementation is critical to Exxaro's operational resilience. We remain agile in our approach, and we will continue to regularly review and update the roadmap in line with the evolving technological and innovation landscape. So from a 2022 base, we're targeting a 40% and 75% cumulative reduction in Scope 1 and 2 emissions in 2030 and 2040 respectively. We will achieve this through renewable energy initiatives and also equipment and fleet optimization technology. We believe that through this roadmap we are well on our way to becoming carbon neutral by 2050 and contributing to an impactful transition in South Africa.